Hi viewers, welcome to my channel.
Hi everyone. Today, in this video we'll be discussing about how to become a full stack developer. This is the content in this video I want to show you. Before going to video, like this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to become a full stack developer. A full stack developer is someone who has knowledge of both the front end and back end of web development. In this video, we will go over the skills and tools that are essential to becoming a full stack developer. Step 1. Learn the basics of web development. The first step in becoming a full stack developer is to learn the basics of web development. This includes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of web development and will give you a solid foundation to build upon. Step 2. Learn a back-end programming language. The back-end of a website is where the data is stored and processed. To become a full-stack developer, you need to learn at least one back-end programming language such as Python, Ruby, or Node.js. You will need to know how to create and manage databases, build web servers, and use APIs. Step 3. Learn a front-end framework. The front end of a website is what users interact with. You will need to learn a front-end framework such as React, Angular, or Vue.js. These frameworks allow you to build responsive and dynamic user interfaces. Step 4. Understand database management. A full-stack developer should have knowledge of how databases work and how to manage them. You will need to learn SQL and NoSQL databases, how to design and create tables, and how to query data. Step 5. Master version control. Version control is essential for managing code changes and collaborating with other developers. You will need to learn a version control system such as Git and how to use it to manage your code. Step 6. Practice your skills. The best way to become a full-stack developer is to practice your skills. Build projects, contribute to open-source projects, and participate in hackathons. This will give you real-world experience and help you improve your skills. Step 7. Continuous learning. The technology is constantly evolving, and as a full-stack developer, you need to keep up with the latest trends and best practices. Attend meetups, take online courses, and read industry blogs to stay up to date. Conclusion. Becoming a full-stack developer requires a lot of hard work and dedication, but with the right skills and tools, you can achieve your goal. Remember to always keep learning and practicing, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey to becoming a full-stack developer. For more videos, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.